Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, close Snapchat completely and remove it from the recent apps screen. Second, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset the connection. Third, turn off airplane mode and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network if possible. Fourth, restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Fifth, check if Snapchat is down by searching Snapchat server status in your browser. Sixth, wait 15 to 30 minutes if there is an outage because login blocks can be temporary. Seventh, open Snapchat and make sure you are typing the correct username or email. Eighth, double-check that your password is correct and that caps lock is not changing letters. Ninth, tap "Forgot your password" and reset it if you are not 100% sure about the password. 10th, open your phone settings and confirm date and time are set to automatic. 11th, disable any VPN or proxy app because Snapchat may block those connections. 12th, go to settings and turn off any private DNS or custom DNS temporarily if you enabled it. 13th, switch networks by trying mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. 14th, check if you recently used third-party Snapchat apps and uninstall them immediately. 15th, remove any automation, modded clients, or plugins because they can trigger a temporary lock. 16th, update Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. 17th, update your phone's operating system if an update is available. 18th, on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. 19th, on Android, also tap Clear Data only if you remember your login details. 20th, on iPhone, offload the Snapchat app and reinstall it if clearing cache is not available. 21st, uninstall Snapchat completely and then reinstall it fresh from the official store. 22nd, try logging in again and do not spam the login button if it fails. 23rd, if it still says temporarily disabled, stop trying for at least 24 hours to avoid extending the lock. 24th, go to Snapchat's official unlock page in a browser and sign in to request unlock. 25th, if you get unlocked, log in only on one device and one network to keep it stable. 26th, enable two-factor authentication in Snapchat settings after you regain access. 27th, change your password again to a strong one if you suspect suspicious activity. 28th, check your email and phone number in Snapchat settings to ensure account recovery works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.